Welcome back to our channel. Today we embark on a poignant exploration of celebrities who departed unexpectedly. From iconic actors to beloved musicians, join us as we honor those who quietly left the stage. Stay tuned for a reflective journey through the lives of these unforgettable stars. Let's commence this tribute to their legacies. Jos Auckland, born February 29, 1928 in North Kensington, London, was a distinguished English actor with a versatile career across film, television and stage. His breakthrough in the 1950s led to widespread recognition for compelling performances in genres such as The Hunt for Red October 1990, Lethal Weapon 2 1989, and White Mischief 1987. Allen seamlessly transitioned between dramatic and comedic roles, accumulating awards over his six-decade career. His powerful, nuanced performance left an indelible mark on the entertainment industry, establishing him as a respected and accomplished actor. Joe Auckland's legacy, showcasing enduring talent and commitment to acting, sadly concluded on November 19, 2023, with his passing at 95. Annie Wersching, born on March 28, 1977, in St. Louis, Missouri, was an American actress celebrated for her captivating performances in television and film. Renowned for her role as FBI agent Renee Walker in the TV series 24, she showcased her talent for intense and complex characters. Waring's versatile career included notable appearances in shows like Timeless, The Vampire Diaries, and Bosch. Beyond television, she contributed to various films and stage productions, celebrated for bringing depth and authenticity to her roles. Waring earned critical acclaim and a dedicated fan base. Despite her career flourishing, her legacy includes memorable performances, solidifying her as a talented and respected actress. Sadly, Annie Waring passed away on January 29, 2023 at 45 due to cancer. Michael Carello, born on January 26, 1962 in Red Bluff, California, was a renowned American chef, vintner, and TV personality. Rising to fame through culinary expertise, he achieved acclaim with his restaurant Trav, featured on shows like Easy Entertaining with Michael Corell. His career showcased a commitment to farm-to-table cooking and sustainability, venturing into winemaking with Corral Family Vineyards. He earned a James Beard Foundation Award in 1995. Michael Correll's multifaceted career influenced both culinary and virtual realms, inspiring many. Sadly, on October 6, 2023, he passed away at 61 due to an acute allergic reaction causing anaphylactic shock, leaving behind a lasting legacy. Mark Margolis, born on November 26, 1939 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, was an esteemed American actor known for compelling performances on stage and screen. Renowned for his role as Tio Salmaca in Breaking Bad and Better Call Saul, Margolis gained widespread acclaim. With a career spanning over 5 decades, he portrayed versatile roles in films like Scareface 1983 and The Wrestler 2008. Celebrated for depth and authenticity, Margolis, though not a mainstream celebrity, earned respect for impactful contributions to film and TV. A seasoned actor, his rich body of work left a lasting impression. Tragically, Mark Margolis passed away on August 3rd, 2023 at age 83 after short illness. Ron Cephas Jones, born on January 8, 1957 in Paterson, New Jersey, was a highly respected American actor known for remarkable performances on stage and screen, widely recognized for his role as William Hill in the acclaimed TV series This Is Us. Jones earned an Emmy Award for Outstanding Guest Actor. His versatile career spans decades, featuring roles in Luke Cage, Mr. Robot, and The Lady Killers. Renowned for powerful portrayals, he received accolades for contributions to the entertainment industry. Jones, a seasoned actor, brought depth and authenticity to characters. On August 19, 2023, he passed away at 66 due to a long standing pulmonary issue, leaving a lasting legacy in the world of acting. Cynthia Weil, born on October 18, 1940 in New York City, was an accomplished American songwriter and lyricist. Alongside her husband and writing partner Barry Mann, Wilde played a significant role in shaping the landscape of popular music. The duo rose to fame during the Brill Building era, contributing numerous iconic songs to the American music scene. Wilde's remarkable career includes timeless hits such as You've Lost That Lovin' Feelin' and On Broadway. Her lyrical prowess and ability to capture universal emotions have earned her induction into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, showcasing the enduring impact of her work. With multiple Grammy Awards and a Songwriters Hall of Fame recognition, Cynthia Wilde's legacy extends far beyond her birthplace, solidifying her status as a trailblazer in the world of songwriting and a key figure in the golden age of American pop music. On June 1st, 2023, Cynthia Wilde sadly passed away at the age of 82 at her home in Beverly Hills. Tom Sizemore, born on November 29, 1961 in Detroit, Michigan, was an American actor celebrated for intense and versatile performances in film and television. Rising to prominence in the 1990s, Seymour gained fame with roles in acclaimed films like Saving Private Ryan 1998 and Black Hawk Down 2001. Despite facing personal challenges, Seymour's talents shone through portraying both heroic and villainous characters. His career showcased collaborations with directors Steven Spielberg and Ridley Scott, solidifying his status as a respected actor. Achievements include critical acclaim and an enduring impact on cinema. Unfortunately, on March 3rd, 2023, Tom Seymour passed away at 61 from heart failure due to a brain aneurysm, marking the end of a prolific career. Bray Wyatt, born Wyndham Lawrence Rotunda on May 23rd, 1987 in Brooksville, Florida, was an American professional wrestler and the son of wrestling legend Mike Rotunda. Wyatt gained fame through his captivating and enigmatic character in World Wrestling Entertainment (WWE). Debuting in WWE Developmental Territory in 2009, he rose to prominence with his Bray Wyatt persona, portraying a mysterious and charismatic cult leader known for his unique in-ring style and compelling storytelling. Wyatt achieved success with multiple championship reigns, including the WWE Championship. His alter ego, The Fiend, added a horror element to his character, captivating audiences with its unpredictability. Bray Wyatt's career has been marked by creativity and reinvention, earning him a dedicated fan following. While his achievements include championships and memorable storylines, his impact on wrestling goes beyond titles, showcasing his ability to evolve and entertain in the dynamic world of professional wrestling. On August 24, 2023, Bray Wyatt passed away at the age of 36 due to a heart attack. C.J. Harris, born on January 27, 1991, in Jasper, Alabama, was an American singer songwriter who gained recognition through his participation in season 13 of American Idol in 2014. Known for his soulful and bluesy vocal style, Harris captivated audiences and made it to the top 6 before his elimination. Following his time on American Idol, Harris continued to pursue a career in music, blending southern rock and blues influences into his sound. While he may not achieved mainstream commercial success, his genuine talent and heartfelt performances endeared him to a dedicated fan base. C.J. Harris's achievements include making a notable impact on a nationally televised platform and showcasing his musical abilities to a broad audience. His journey on American Idol remains a significant chapter in his career, and he continues to share his passion for music with fans. Sadly, on January 15, 2023, C.J. Harris died of a heart attack at the age of 31. Raquel Welch, born Joe Raquel Tejada on September 5, 1940 in Chicago, Illinois, was an iconic American actress and sex symbol, achieving fame in the 1960s, recognized for her breakthrough role in 1 Million Years BC, 1966. Welch's iconic fair bikini symbolized the era. Beyond acting, she excelled as a singer, author, and businesswoman. Her performances in Fantastic Voyage 1966 and The Three Musketeers 1973 garnered critical acclaim. Welch earned a Golden Globe for the latter and a Hollywood Walk of Fame star. Celebrated for reshaping beauty standards, she passed away on February 15, 2023 at 82, succumbing to cardiac arrest at her Los Angeles home. Raquel Welch's legacy endures as a cultural icon in film and beauty. Angus Cloud, born on September 14, 1993 in Oakland, California, was an American actor who gained widespread recognition for his breakout role as Frisco in the acclaimed HBO series Euphoria. Cloud's performance in the series, portraying a drug dealer with depth and authenticity, earned him praise for his acting prowess. Before his acting career took off, Angus Cloud worked as a model and had no formal training in acting. His raw talent and compelling presence on screen quickly made him a standout in the entertainment industry. Euphoria marked his debut acting role, and Cloud's portrayal of Fesco garnered him a significant fan base and critical acclaim. While his career is relatively young, Angus Cloud's achievements include making a significant impact in the competitive world of television and establishing himself as a promising talent to watch in the coming years. Tragically, Angus Cloud died on July 31, 2023 due to accidentally overdose on meth, cocaine, fentanyl at the age of 25. Robbie Neville, born on May 7, 1962 in Butte, Montana, was an acclaimed American daredevil and stunt performer. Following in his legendary father Evil Cannell's footsteps, Robbie achieved fame for his daring motorcycle jumps, executing high-risk feats that captivated the public. Renowned for spectacular jumps, including over landmarks like the Grand Canyon and Caesar's Palace, Robbie faced physical risk surpassing his father's records. Despite challenges, he maintained a significant presence in daredevil stunts, completing numerous jumps with skill and fearlessness. Robbie Newell's achievements solidify his status in the daredevil and stunt performance arena. Carrying on the Cannon legacy, unfortunately, he passed away on January 13, 2023 at 60, succumbing to pancreatic cancer in Reno. Pat Robertson, born on March 22, 1930 in Langston, Virginia, was a prominent American media mogul, televangelist, televangelist and former Southern Baptist minister. Founder of the Christian Broadcasting Network (CBN), Robertson gained fame for hosting the 700 Club, a Christian talk show pivotal in establishing CBN as a major conservative Christian media network. Beyond TV, he ventured into business and sought the Republican presidential nomination in 1988. Notable achievements include founding Regent University and the American Center for Law and Justice. While lauded for contributions to conservative Christianity, Robertson faced controversies for outspoken views on social and political issues. On June 8, 2023, he passed away at his Virginia Beach home aged 93. Matthew Perry, born on August 19, 1969 in Williamstown, Massachusetts, was a Canadian-American actor, comedian and writer. He gained international fame for his portrayal of Chandler Bing in the immensely popular television sitcom Friends. Perry's impeccable comedic timing and delivery made him a standout in the ensemble cast, contributing significantly to the show's success. Beyond Friends, Perry has had a diverse career in both television and film, with roles in projects like The West Wing, Studio 60 on the Sunset Strip, and The Whole Nine Yards. His talent extends to playwriting with the well-received play The End of Longing. Achievements in Perry's career include an Emmy nomination for his role in Friends and critical acclaim for his performances on stage. While navigating the challenges of fame, Matthew Perry remains a respected figure in the entertainment industry. Sadly, Matthew Perry passed away on October 28, 2023 due to acute effects of ketamine at the age of 54. Lance Reddick, born on December 31, 1962 in Baltimore, Maryland, was a highly accomplished American actor and musician, renowned for his role as Cadrick Daniels in The Wire, 2002 to 2008. Reddick's portrayal of the stoic police lieutenant showcased his acting prowess, contributing to the show's critical success. His versatile career spanned TV and film, featuring notable roles in Fringe, John Wick, and Bosch. Reddick's ability to infuse depth and gravitas into diverse characters earned him widespread recognition. Alongside acting, he excelled as a classical and jazz composer. A Screen Actors Guild Award for The Wire ensemble cast solidified his status. Tragically, Reddick passed away on March 17, 2023 at 60, succumbing to heart disease at his Studio City, Los Angeles home. Tina Turner, born Anna Mae Bullock in 1939, was an iconic American-born Swiss singer and actress, rising to fame with Ike and Tina Turner Revue. Her solo career in the late 70s propelled her to legendary status. Known for her powerful voice and hits like What's Love Got to Do with It, Turner earned multiple Grammy Awards, including Record of the Year. Her achievements spanned a Kennedy Center honor, Rock and Roll Hall of Fame introduction, and the title the Queen of Rock and Roll. Beyond music, Turner's triumph over challenges inspired millions. Sadly, on May 24, 2023, she passed away at 83 from natural causes, leaving a lasting legacy in the music world. In concluding our journey through the lives of celebrities, we bid farewell into the 2023. If you found this video informative or moving, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing for more insightful content. Let's continue to honor the memories of the extraordinary individuals. Thank you.